Doorbell rings, you are here. Long days gone, now you're near. Warm embrace, gentle grace, quiet welcome, steady pace. Hearts together, time stands still. All that's missing, love will fill. Joyful laughter, eyes that meet. Peace returning, hearts complete. Shared old photos, stories new. Safe and happy, just us two. Kettle singing, quiet night, hands united, all feels right. Hearts together, time stands still. All that's missing, love will fill. Joyful laughter, eyes that meet. Peace returning, hearts complete. Evening settles, calm and true. Grateful now I'm home with you. Steps approach, a familiar song. Old friends waiting, time feels long. Open arms, the smiles ignite. Memories blooming in the night. Soft embraces, laughter bright. Stories warming hearts tonight. Peace returning, joy resumes. Happy reunions fill these rooms. Cups are filled and spirits high. Quiet comfort close nearby. Sharing dreams beneath the light. Friendship makes the world feel right. Soft embraces, laughter bright. Stories warming hearts tonight. Peace returning, joy resumes. Happy reunions fill these rooms. Years may pass, but here we stay. Hearts together, always sway. Soft embraces, laughter bright. Stories warming hearts tonight. Peace returning, joy resume. Warm support we never had. Gentle praise, safe together through hard days. Thoughtful moments, real and true. All we need is me and you. Care and kindness always near. Every evening quiet, peace remains in our hearts, no empty place. Morning colors, table set, breezy laughter, no regret, daylight softly fills the room, comfort blossoms, life in bloom, one step easy, smile ahead, simple choices, good instead, every minute, sweet and kind, even stressing, rush behind, dishes clinking, gentle words